For question 3, 1.83 times 26. Now this is for non-calculator papers. So the way to approach this is imagine first of all the decimal point isn't there, and we'll do 183 times 26 instead. And the easiest way to do that is using a grid. So we've got 183, and we're going to multiply that by 26. So we split it up into a grid like this, and then we begin multiplying. So 1 times 2 is 2, and then I've got 1, 2, 3 zeros. And then 8 times 2 is 16, and I've got 1, 2 zeros. And then 2 times 3 is 6, and just 1 0, so 60. And then similarly along the bottom you get 600, 480, and 18. Then I just need to add up all of these blue numbers. So I'll add up the top 3 first. I've got 2,000, 3,000, 660. And on the bottom I've got, well, 600 add 400 is 1,000, so I've got 1,080, and the 18 is 98. And then I add these two together, I get 8, 5, carry that 1, so 7 and 4. So 4, 7, 5, 8. Now, of course, the answer to this is not going to be 4, 7, 5, 8. That's the answer to this. So what you do is you just underline any numbers that come after a decimal point in your question. So this 8 and this 3, and there weren't any with the 26. So 2 numbers after the decimal point, there needs to be 2 numbers after the decimal point in the answer. So the answer to the question is 47.58. Another way of testing that is rounding these numbers. So that number there, well, that's roughly 2, that's roughly 25, so 2 times 25 is 50, so our answer needs to be roughly 50, so 47.58, that's roughly 50.